Oh, hey there, how are you? I'm waiting for Marge and Ogot. They told me that they were going to bring me something. Something that I would surely love. I wonder what that is. Could it be clothes or maybe a hat? I don't know. What's a good guess? Maybe it's food? Yeah, maybe it's food. They're gonna bring me mangoes? Or a bag of wool? Bag of wool. That reminds me of a song. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. Hey, here they are.
Hi, Joji. Here's our pasalubong!
Wow, you brought a big basket of...
Rambutan!
Wait, how come Ogot's the only one carrying it? I thought you two were together.
We are, but Ogot can carry it on his own. He's a strong goat.
Yes, but it would be nice if you offered him some help. What if you had to carry that basket? Can you carry it?
Sure I can. It's a little heavy, but I can.
Now, how would you feel if he offered you some help?
May I help you, Marge? Yes, please. Thank you.
Now, how did that feel?
It feels better. I guess you're right. Even though I can carry it, it feels much better when someone offers help. Yes, it does. Sorry for not helping you carry this, Ogot. I thought you were fine. That's okay, Marge. I can actually carry it. But like what you said, it feels much better and lighter when someone helps you.
And I'm going to be needing your help to finish this basket of rambutan.
Yeah, sure. Let's eat this.
Thank you for your pasalubong, Marge and Ogot.
You're welcome, Joji.
When an old lady wants to cross the street, what would you say? May I help you?
Yes. Thank you.
When a little girl cannot reach her toy, what would you say?
May I help you? Yes, thank you.
When your parents are carrying lots of bags, what would you say?
May we help you?
Yes, thank you. When a cute puppy wants to go up your lap, what would you say?
May I help you?
Ciao, I'm Chef Lingua Linguaje, Chef Ling for short, and today we will be talking about a very juicy, delicious menu that you, your family, your friends, or even strangers will surely love. This menu is so simple yet so good. It is made up of 4 words. May I help you? Just offer it to anyone and their hearts will surely melt and they will feel very, very good. But enough talk. Let me show you how I serve this succulent menu that is. May I help you? Excuse me, may I help you? Yes, chef. Yes, of course, thank you. Thanks, Chef. Did you see the wide smile on his face? A simple, "May I help you?" made his day. That's how wonderful this menu is. Oh, watch this. Ahem. Good day, Chef. May I help you? Chef, are you sure? May I help you? Yes. Thank you, Chef. Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Now I can rest. You see how happy he was when offered help? That is the amazing result of this wonderful menu that is May I Help You? Why don't you give it a try? Try it on your friends, your family, your mother, your father. But wait! Make sure you do it. When you offer help, you have to help. When you say it, you have to do it. Understand? Okay, perfect. Well, this has been your Chef Leng, and I'll see you again next time. Ciao. Yo, what's up? It's James Les Reed here, and today our letter is going to make you say wow. Don't ask me why, don't ask me when, don't ask me what, where, and how. Those are words. Why, when, what, and where start with the W sound, and how ends with the W sound. This letter is for the win, guys! We can hear it at the beginning. Water. Wand. Watermelon. We can also hear it at the end. Cow. Crow. Yellow. And now, I will show you how to write the letter W. For the big letter W, you have to start at the top, then make a slanting line going down, and another slanting line going up, then another slanting line going down, and another slanting line going up. For the small letter W, make a slanting line going down, and another slanting line going up, then another slanting line going down, and another slanting line going up. So that's the wonderful letter that makes wonderful words. That's the letter W. I'm looking for words that have the W sound. Can you help me look for things that have the letter W? Let's begin. Window, door, which has the W sound. Window, correct. How about here? Ring, watch, which has the letter W. Are you sure you hear the letter W in ring? Try again. We can hear it in watch. Watch. Which one has the letter W? Is it worm, bird, or cat? It's in worm. Tiger, lion, wolf. Which has the W sound? Lion, I don't think that has the W sound. Try again. It's in wolf. Wolf. How about here? Fish, whale, octopus. Whale has the w sound at the beginning. Whale. These are the last ones. Wheel, table, wand, and wagon. Wagon. It has the w sound at the beginning. Oh, there's two more. Wheel. Correct. And the last one is wand. It has the letter W at the beginning. Wand. Well done! Thanks for helping me.
I am so full. Eating can also be tiring sometimes.
But you are so funny, guys. Who said that you had to finish them all in one sitting?
It's so good, we can't stop.
Well, I hope you don't get a tummy ache. Maybe I should start cleaning. Look at all these rambutan peelings.
May we help you?
I knew you'd ask. Come on, let's clean up so we can finish this fast.
Clean up. Clean up.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today. We'll see you again next time. I hope you had a great time because my room is your room.
Goodbye.